Do you ever drink water? It's like regular water.
No.
You just like
I stay away from water.
Water's like
Water's doesn't taste like anything. It doesn't taste good.
It's just water. It's you're supposed to rehydrate you.
Water is fucking trash, burger. Water sucks dick.
I like that.
Water sucks fucking trash dick.
I was saying your body might be dehydrated. Maybe that's why you're not peeing much. Because it's like absorbing all the moisture.
I'd rather drink Coca-Cola and Dr. Pepper. I don't give a fuck about water, nigga.
It's not good.
I don't give two fucks about it. Water can eat my nutsack. I'm gonna cum in that water.
Fuck your water,
I'm gonna throw it on a woman's face.
You know there's water
Should eat
in
that
Coca-Cola.
cum. What?
There's water in all those things. There's mostly water.
Yeah, but there's sugar and shit as well. It's not just plain ass water, dude.
Yeah, that's true.
You know, I want some fucking sugar, and I want some fucking caffeine. I want some motherfucking corn syrup. I want some motherfucking food coloring. I want some good shit. I want some natural flavors. I want some artificial flavors.